Hey everybody, I'm out on my walk today. It's Wednesday. It's probably like 12:30-ish, I think. And I just heard the horn for the train. I think he's over here by, sounds like he's over by Osborne Materials. And I don't know if he's coming this way or not, but I'm gonna stick around for a few minutes and see if he comes through. So hopefully I'll get lucky here and we'll see a train. This is the site of the derailment the other day. You can see where they had a little bit of work down through here. And this is what they call the B&O connector. And this would have been the B&O right here. And then back out that way around the curve, it connects into the Wheeling and Lake Erie down that way. And I don't know what year they severed the B&O, probably in the 70s or 80s, probably in the 80s actually. And to the north, like out this way, it used to go up to Leicester, Ohio, and it connected in. There's the CSX that runs through there still. And then out this way towards Spray Products, it used to go down to down by Chippewa Lake and stuff. Now there's part of it on both sides. From where it ends up here and for where it ends down this way, there's bike paths on both sides of it. And I'm pretty positive that the city of Medina owns the B&O, and the Wheeling and Lake Erie just has trackage rights on it to go to these customers. But I think there's only the three customers. There's Osborne Materials, Kokosing, and then Spray Products out this way. And part of me wonders if the city of Medina wouldn't love for those three customers to go out of business someday, and they could turn this whole B&O into a bike path all the way from Chippewa Lake all the way up to Leicester. And the only section that they're missing is this little bit through probably 3 or 4 miles through town here. So I don't know if those companies will be in business forever. Maybe they will, but you know, it could be such that you know, the economy takes a crap or something and those places go under. There's no rail traffic on this line, and this stuff may not even exist in 10 or 15 years. So that's one of the reasons I'm out here. I love documenting trains on it, because this little section of track through here, it's kind of unique and cool. And maybe one day it won't be here and people will be watching my videos and going, like, standing here like, man, I can't believe trains actually used to come through here, because it doesn't really lend itself to looking like you'd see a locomotive rounding that corner right there. It's kind of crazy. So anyways, still just waiting on a train here, and I don't know if he's coming or not, but this little history video, maybe I'll post this separate even if the train doesn't come. So hope everyone's having a nice day. All right, yeah, he is coming. So we're gonna get a nice little video of him rounding this B&O connector track here. Get the horn at the crossing for West Liberty Street. I'm assuming he's probably not going out to Spray Products. He's probably headed back onto the main here. So anyways, glad I stuck around. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure that ever gets old. One of my favorite spots here in town, for sure. There he goes. All right, everybody. Hope you had a good day. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm hoping we're real close to 700 subs now, so hoping I can get there soon. Talk to everyone later.